Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, I'm very random. At the moment, I'm posting a lot of Dior videos because that's what I've been up to. Dior. But I do have other stuff coming up. So if you like this video, no. If you are a returning viewer, oh my gosh, it's getting... If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you coming back and watching me again. I love that. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, my name is Sarah and I post just random videos at the moment, trying to find my niche, trying to feel my way. And I've been doing a few Dior videos lately. But if you are returning, thank you very much. Thanks for coming back and thanks for watching me. Thanks to those who have been subscribing recently and liking and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate the support. And I think, yeah, it's awesome. I'm really hoping to build a little community here and I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers, to be quite honest. I think that'd be pretty special. So yeah, I think I'll get into it so I don't bore you. I have a Dior unboxing. I went to a event a few weeks ago now. Yes, that's how long it's taken me to get around to filming this. A few weeks ago now, and it was in store. It was in the Chadstone Boutique. My SA from Collins Street said, hey, you want to come down and do a matcha tasting in store at Chadstone? I was like, yeah. Unfortunately, recently I haven't actually been able to get to a few of the events in store, but I know my 18-year-old daughter absolutely loves matcha. So I said to her, hey, you want to go and taste some matcha at Dior? And she's like, yeah, I love matcha. So we went and it was amazing and I absolutely loved it, and I picked up something in store, which I'm going to share with you. So, but first, the matcha tasting was really, really nice. I'll just put up a little bit of a video of that and then just a couple of little things that were in store. A lady was in there. I will put her contact or Instagram in the description below. Please go give her a follow. She is a local Melbourne small business owner and she imports like high grade matcha. I think they call it ceremonial grade matcha. I hadn't really tasted a lot of matcha before until the event. Like I think I'd had a sip of something that my daughter had and I wasn't too keen on it. But I had it like just straight with nothing, no sugar, no nothing. And it was quite smooth and quite nice actually. So we ended up purchasing some from her and I dare say that we'll continue to purchase from her because it was really, really nice. So I'll get into this. I have had my eye on these for a minute since they dropped actually. Don't ask me when I don't know. And yeah, I was just like pretty chuffed that I could get them. So I've got a little tiny little bitty dust bag here. There's some stuff in it. And then 2 dust bags so you can guess what I've got. Let's open it up. I have already opened this. It was beautifully wrapped, but I have already opened this.
On another thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
My God, you think I'd know. There we go. I'm so excited. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, I haven't even worn them yet. Look, clean soles. Look. How was that face? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's have a good look. So it says Christian Dior Paris. Sorry about that. Christian Dior Paris. And then let's just slowly turn it around. Dior. Does that say, yes, Dior. And then inside, again, Christian Dior. And you see how it's got this like detailing around here where it's all like ripped, you know, not ripped, but you know, scuffed. I love that look. It's all scuffed around there as well. Like, how cool are they? I love them. So in here is just spare laces. Spare black laces. They had a white pair with a little bit of black detailing, but your girl's not going to wear them. I actually tried them on and my daughter was like, Mum, no, like you already have a pair of white material shoes that you don't wear. Do not get another pair. And she's right. I paid like, I don't even want to tell you, but I brought a pair of Dior, another pair of Dior shoes that are material, and I don't wear them. Even though I have put, which I'll do with these as well, I have put like Scotch Guard on them. But yeah, this is them in all their glory. Do we love them? I think we should love them. I think you should. Oh, did I show you the tag? Like, not the tag, but oh, I can't lift it up because it's quite a short. It says Dior, Christian Dior Paris there. These, can I just say, these are actually quite good. When I travel, I actually use these for travel, and I put my shoes in them. So because your shoes get like grotty and stuff like that, and I want to be able to throw my shoes in the suitcase or the bag, I use these. Like, don't be scared to use these. Like, they're really good quality. And yeah, I throw all my shoes in there, and that's how I travel with them. So yeah, they're my new shoes. I love them. I'm very excited. Haven't purchased anything from the Dior boutique in a minute. I've been, shopping elsewhere, and not for any reason other than I have, for me, who's not wealthy, I have a pretty big collection of Dior, and I kind of need to branch out a little bit, buy other branded shoes and other branded bags and things, and yeah, so your girl's trying, but I don't know, I just love the brand. I just love like how beautiful everything is and how much detail goes into everything, and the quality is there. I haven't had a single quality issue with anything that I've purchased. And my aesthetic is very pretty, beautiful, and I like the contrasting sort of edginess. So, in summer you'll see me wearing a lot of florals, and I love floral scents, and very feminine and very, pretty. But I'll have all my tattoos on show, and I have piercings and things like that. So I kind of like that, edgy but pretty kind of aesthetic. So that's me, and that's, and I think Dior really fits in with that for me, because it's just got that, beautiful, everything's beautiful, everything's so pretty, and I just love it. But anyway, that is my video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that you could maybe give us a like. As my favorite crypto YouTuber says, RV, likes are for free. So it might not mean much to you, but it means a lot to me if you like my video, and if you would consider subscribing. And leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you do watch this and watch it to the end, do you care that I move around my house filming, or would you prefer that I stay in one spot and film? Because I'm currently downstairs. That's my kitchen, obviously. And sometimes I film in my bed. Sometimes I film at my, where I do my moisturizing vanity, and then I have a makeup vanity, and then I have like my wall where I've got some bags and stuff. So I kind of film a little bit of everywhere in my house. And yeah, I don't know if people like that or they don't like that, or, yeah, I'm not really sure. But anyway, hit subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao, ciao, bye.